It's Sunday and the pile of parts is dwindling. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Got to put the trim around the bottom of the seats. There's a million things to do. Run wires. Decide for sure where I'm going to put the amp. I was going to put it in the trunk, but the more I think about it, maybe under the front seat is better. I don't know. I need to make up my mind about that. And I need to put away, we got a bunch of extra foam and what have you. Don't need none of that now. I need to put this door together. That'd be a good thing. And I just need to keep getting after it. That's what I need to do. So that's what I'm going to do. It's always good when you need to do something to do it. Right? Hey, look who's out of bed early. Couple hours we can have lunch.
Shush, I'll buy that off.
I seen you. I seen you about 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago. Not longer than 10 minutes ago, I've been.
Did you go to the store and get your chocolate milk?
It's not chocolate milk. I don't even like milk.
What is it?
It's a cappuccino.
Oh my gosh. Same thing. Alright, it's time to get crack-a-lacking. We gotta fold up these sawhorses. We don't need them no more. We gotta get up all this extra upholstery stuff. We gotta find a big box to cram it into or something. And
You had me burn all the boxes.
and then we gotta move into other things. So let's get going, shall we? What are you looking at over there?
I'm just looking at all the work that still needs to be done.
That's right. It's a bunch of work. What needs done? Hey, look who's being my shop buddy. Up in the air condition. Alright, here's the new door panels. Kinda need to tune that up there. I'm about ready to put it on. I gotta cut some plastic though. Cause you can see what happened last time. Those got all warped up real bad. I'm gonna cut some plastic and affix it here. I've got the glass all in. That's a little bit of a challenge. Anyway, I'm gonna fix it here and I'm gonna seal it so that water don't warp up them ones. But anyway, Mama just texted me, said I should come down for lunch, and I'm all about that, so I'm leaving. It's fixing to rain like a cow peeing on a flat rock.
You had me put that thing on, and that shouldn't have been put on till this was put on.
I didn't tell you to put that on. I said put this on and then put the knob on.
That's not what you said.
That's precisely what I said. You might have heard something else, but I don't know what to tell you about that. And here's Uncle Young Man fixing a bicycle for his little, what do you call it?
Nephew.
Oh, yeah. I don't know why the kid won't wear shoes. See, what we did was we got a big roll of 6mm plastic and we're using, where'd it go? Anyway, I can't remember what I did with it, but them little stick-em things, had a whole box of them 5 seconds ago. This is a story of my life. I can't complete the air conditioning because I can't find one line. But anyway, we put the stick-em on the door, just like in 3rd gen F bodies, and then put the plastic on. I think that's going to be just fine. And pretty soon you're fitting to see what it looks like with a door panel. Were you going to say something? Oh, let me tell you, I'm going to have to catch her sometime. She was over there putting that piece of trim on the seat, and you never heard such a batch of grumbling. Good grannies.
You... Well, how about I start filming you then, you old grumpy old man?
You're a grumpy old lady. Alright, I guess that's done acceptably. Now the next thing is, you gotta put springs. And I don't really understand this, but that's the way it is. You gotta put springs there. I don't really understand it. Don't really understand it. I wonder if you turn that in there. Anyway, you gotta put these springs behind the door panel. Or at least there was springs behind the door panel. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, Mrs. Heavy Chevy's taking a phone break after she just fought and got this door panel on.
You did it twice. Twice make it right.
Well, I forgot a little detail on the bottom. There's a little lip there you're supposed to hook it on. I knew it, but I forgot it. But anyways, by the time I get done with these door panels, I'm going to be good at it and hope to never do it again. I think it looks pretty good, though.
That's not good.
The ones Grandpa had in there, I ain't sure how he done it. He must have bought the door cards, or maybe he used the old ones. I don't know, and then just put vinyl over it. Now it does have trim on the old ones that we cannot use on these. These are Bel Air panels, and this ain't a Bel Air. But we can't use that trim. It don't fit the... But we need to save it nevertheless.
Yeah, that's
That'd be a good job for Mrs. Heavy Chevy. Well, here's an unhappy discovery. That window's been down so long that I can't remember the last time it was rolled up. But anyway, I took the door panel off and the window was down. I noticed a crack. See there? Broke. And the reason is that track that goes back in there is laying in the bottom of the door. And the bracket that holds it on also laying in the bottom of the door. I guess I should be grateful it's laying in the bottom of the door. But the other bad thing is one of my weather seals that I bought is junk. So I'm going to have to buy some more and get a piece of glass made. And then this door latch does something weird. Every other time you shut it, it won't latch no more unless you bump the lock. That's strange. She's out there talking to somebody on the phone. Hope it's not sensitive. Let me show you another grandpa thing I found. You know, it's supposed to have a little, well, I'll show you. Little thing like that between the crank and the door panel. And if I didn't know better, I'd say that's would have said Country Crock or something like that. Butter spread. Anyways, we gotta go get a door glass. But right now, gotta clean this thing up and back it out. Gotta pull Mama's car in for some maintenance. She's gotta take an unexpected trip, so we gotta do that. So we're gonna have to kick this one to the curb for a minute.